Hey folks, Kyle from McPhee Motor Cars back with you here. I just wanted to do a short video on a little follow-up on some mini crawler stuff that we did previously. This is the 1/18 scale EAZY RC Arizona mini crawler, and it's a low budget machine. I think it was $100 or so. Some of the things when we first got this thing, very bouncy suspension, and so we tried to calm that down with some grease in the shock tubes, and it just didn't seem to really help that much. It's pretty top heavy. So we been working trying to figure out how to make it better without, you know, burning up the servo, the stock servo and the motor and all that. That's all still in it, it's all stock. So I just started changing out the wheels and tires, thinking maybe that was an issue. This is the original stock wheel and tire combination that came on it. It's a plastic wheel in a soft. It's a pretty, you know, soft tire, but there's no foams in there at all. And then I decided I was going to try to run some of these wheel weights, which didn't work on the stock wheels because they were hitting these little screw mounts in the back of the wheel, so that didn't work out very good. So I went to these super wide 54 millimeter tires, thinking these would grip. They are on aluminum. I think those are aluminum beadlock Malleones. I think they're kind of an Amazon product. I tried that with these weights. Too much wheel and tire, too much weight. The servo didn't like it. It was struggling to maneuver those wheels and tires. There was some rubbing going on. They were too wide. You needed axle extensions. There wasn't enough lug nut to run down, so we needed more modifications to run those. You'd have to upgrade some things to run those bigger wheels. I tried these Mickey Thompson. They got foam in them. I tried these on another set of rims that didn't perform that well, and then finally ended up going with these gray aluminum CNC beadlocks. I got those on AliExpress. I had never ordered anything on that, and figured I'd never see it. Took about 2 weeks, I think, to get here. And I think their Axe Speed is the name brand, Axe Speed. And then I had a recommendation on some tires that would make a difference, and I'm telling you they did. That's probably the biggest thing that I did. Was these are RC four-wheel drive Goodyear Wrangler, I think they're MTR/R 1-inch crawler tires. Super soft. There's a little bit of foam, I think, in there, but those made a huge difference on how that thing handles. It's still a little top heavy, but handling wise, as you'll see in the run video, it's just a short run video. I got a little indoor track set up. Excuse me, that's my golden retriever. The tires made a huge difference, and so I think, short of changing out any major components in the suspension or anything like that, I would try those RC four-wheel drive tires and some metal rims or aluminum wheels to get the weight down low. But check it out for yourself, and that's kind of our latest upgrade to the EAZY RC Arizona 1/18 scale.